Hello, 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 hello. It's no life. Okay. Welcome back. I'm on crack. This is trading. So I started a new. Okay, that should be better. But welcome back, everybody. Yeah. So I took a few trades. I took 3, and I switched from GBP JPY to XUA. I think XAU gold. XAUUSD. I'm trading gold now, and I think it works quite nice with the strategy. With these videos, I'm going to be basically going through a few trades, maybe one. It depends on the day. I'll be going over the trading journal with you guys as well, and step by step in this backtesting software, free backtesting software called FX Replay. Make sure you guys go download FX Replay from this link. Just kidding, guys, I'm not sponsored, but I do want to get into this trade. I've been waiting all day. I even took a trade in IT today. This is the trade I took. I didn't log it because it's whatever, a different account and everything. I was on my school account. But basically we find our bias. The 4 hour is bearish. Okay, just in a downtrend. Then we go on to 30 minutes as per usual, bro, and mark out our sessions. Yo, bro, someone put that music back. Asian session open, London session open, and New York session open. Now we're going to change this to 30 minutes and we skip a bit past Asia session. Hopefully it goes up because I like to see a retracement and a bit of nice volatility. Then we draw session highs and lows. Session high, session low, and we are gonna make sure that this counts as bullish, bearish. 30 min bear. I always like to see the 30 minute be in line with the 4 hour, and then that's a high confidence trade for me. So as you can see, 4 hours clearly bearish. Clearly 30 minute looks a little like bullish in the structure here, but higher time frame holds higher power, and there was a break of structure here, so that's enough for me. Now we have to wait for either the highs or lows to get hit on the 5 minute. Highs were hit at the end of the session. I won't be taking a trade. Boom. Now we just run that process all over again. Go back to the 30 minute, mark out a few sessions. It's no lie. So let's skip ahead because the 4 hours bullish, so I'm not shorting this. So I'm gonna have to wait again? Question mark? I think so. 4 hour ain't in line, bro. It says clearly trade. Right? This day didn't have a trade, and the next day also didn't have a trade, because as you can see we just broke structure to the downside on the 4 hour, plus super well respected this fair value gap right here. Price, yeah, so that's good bearish confluences, plus the 4 hour is bearish, so we could trade. Now if we see bearish confluences we can short. break of structure to the downside on the 5 minute. So let's fill this out as we go. If you guys didn't notice, the 4 hour was bearish, broke structure as I just explained, and the 30 minutes is also bullish. What can Tina Tocano? Yeah, I'm not trading this session because it would be unwise, in my opinion, to trade short. I do want to take this trade, guys, even though the 30 minutes not hasn't broken structure to the downside. This is clearly just a retracement back up, and it's at its peak, it looks like. So hopefully we don't get faked out. Hopefully we can take a short if we find any confluences, such as this fair value gap getting filled. Perfect. We could short literally right now. I kind of want to wait one candle because we wouldn't. Let's just skip 1 minute ahead. Okay, let's short now. With 3, don't know what this is, don't know how lots work, I'll have to learn. But I know about how much it is. So stop loss, let's put it up here. So we took this trade, we in with 3 lots or whatever, 3 positions of gold, and first take profit will be right here, second might be down here or like around this area. Let's hope we take a dub, guys, because look at this nice streak, 3 wins. Let's see if we can make it 4. So we had stop loss, 30 min didn't align for our daily bias. As I was explaining to you guys, I wanted to skip this trade, but it was just too tempting. Like, look at this. This is what I would have caught if I don't know, if I traded a different way. But I shouldn't have taken this trade. I should have known better, because the 30 minute obviously is not bullish. It was bearish when we took this trade. So that's one loss so far. I think we should take another trade. It's looking like structure's flipping a little bit more bullish. 30 minutes uptrend, and I'm definitely sure the 4 hours structure's flipped. But we now have to ask ourselves, is this a high, is this a lower high, or is this the start of a low, of a higher high? So I've marked off the places of the areas that we must that price will interact off of. The thing is, this is the double top, so it looks like it's about to be swept and possibly go down. However, sticking to the trading plan, we've got to go with the 4 hour, which is bullish. Bull 4 hour. If the 3 hours bullish, then you can trade this. Bro, that's technically bullish, but technically bearish, but technically bullish cause just break structure to the upside over here. So bullish. So 5 minute. So match the lows and break a structure to the upside, plus full fair value gap. It's literally about to run into New York session, but I'm longing, putting a stop loss down here, and we hopefully can make take a double for this. But the problem is, as New York session opens, it sweeps, it's in theory sweeps out the stop losses and higher highs, lower lows, etc. It targets liquidity from the London session. So let's see how this goes. Another stop loss. Great. Okay, there. You could pause that if you really want to see it. But basically, the 4 hour, it all went wrong at the Beningi and in a lot of places. 4 hour, where's this arrow tool? on the 4 hour, we have a downtrend. Okay, so it comes from wherever up here, low, high, low, high, low, low. If we look on the higher time frames, whatever, if we look on the higher time frames, which we're not going to do because 4 hours is the max I work with. If you look on the higher time frames, we'll probably see high, low, high, but this high didn't reach this high or even this high. Plus these are equal highs, so that was mistake number one, bias. I thought that this lower high was going to form a higher high and flip market structure because I saw all of this 4 hour bullishness. Not good. Next, 30 minute, it was indicative of, well, it's literally an uptrend on the 30 minute, but we do see here like down power, and then of course we get stopped out. I think I took the trade a little bit too late in the session. I'm not sure if I'm gonna make that into a rule, like don't trade past 12 or something. So yeah, those were our 2 trades of the day. Okay, it's already kind of here. Don't trade New York session. This has been a very emotional trading day for me, way too emotional than it should have been. I think also this YouTube video is affecting it a little bit, but I can't be always making excuses, just gotta put in the work. But for real, I'm not allowed to listen to music while trading. I mean, please guys, I feel horrible. I took 2 losses. I'm not taking another trade. I love you guys all. Thank you so much for supporting me on this amazing journey. You guys, it's not a one-way thing. You guys also get some valuable insights and information. You can hear my thoughts and see my strategy one day when I'm profitable. All these videos are accessible for you for free on YouTube. So make sure to psych and subscribe. Make sure that hit that notifications bell and follow all the socials, the YouTube. Anyways, I'll see you guys all later.